Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to cancel your Hum Nutrition subscription for 2025. Whether you're looking to cut costs, switch services, or just reevaluate your wellness routine, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process quick and hassle-free. Hum Nutrition offers personalized vitamin packs, but if it's not working for you anymore, canceling is easier than you might think. First things first, make sure you have your account details handy. This includes your email and password. If you've forgotten them, head to the Hum Nutrition website and use the password recovery option. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Hum Nutrition account. Open your web browser and go to humnutrition.com. Enter your email and password, then hit sign in. Once you're in, navigate to the Account or Subscriptions section, usually found in the top right corner or under a menu icon. Step 2. Find your subscription details. Look for an area that says, My Subscriptions, or Manage Plan. Here, you'll see your current active subscriptions listed. Click on the one you want to cancel. Step 3. Look for the Cancel option. There should be a button or link that says, Cancel Subscription, Pause, or Edit Plan. Click that, and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Hum Nutrition might ask why you're canceling. Feel free to select an option or skip it if available. After you confirm, you should receive an email verification. Check your inbox, including spam folders, to ensure the cancellation went through. It's a good idea to save this email as proof. Keep in mind that depending on your billing cycle, you might still receive your next shipment, so check the effective cancellation date. One quick tip. If you're canceling because you're unhappy with the service, consider reaching out to customer support first. They might offer discounts or alternatives. And if you change your mind, most services have a grace period to reactivate. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more how-to guides, and hit the bell icon for updates. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. See you next time.